In today's video, I'll teach you how to reset BKFC password. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in bkfc.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of BKFC. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to reset your password, what you have to do is go to the login interface. For that, click on the login option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to the login interface of BKFC. So if you want to reset the password, click on this option, forget password, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to reset the password. What you have to do is enter the email address associated with your account. So click on the field of email and enter your email address. Click on this option, reset password, that you can see on the screen. Now you should be able to receive the email with password reset link. Due to some reason, I'm not being able to receive that email, but you'll receive the email. Simply go to Gmail. Now what you have to do is find that email and click on it. After you do that, you'll be able to see the password reset link over there. Click on it. Now you'll be led to another tab. Over there, you'll be able to create a new password for yourself. Create the new password and confirm the password and click on the option reset. After you do that, your password will be updated. And now you should be able to log in with your new password. Come to the login interface. Now what you have to do is enter your email address. Now also enter the password. Now click on the sign in option. Now you'll be able to sign into your account with the new password. So that is how you reset BKFC password. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.